Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I have uploaded a video on here, so this is going to be the first video back for 2021, and today I'm going to share with you my spicy apricot chicken salad with you all. Some of my friends have been waiting for this recipe, and I thought I would just share a video with you all, and maybe they can just refer back to this video. In my opinion, I feel like the measurements don't have to be exact. It's really up to your taste preference, but I'm going to do my best to leave the measurements with the ingredients in the description below so you guys can refer back to it. It's a very super easy recipe to make and to follow, and the best thing is you can make bigger portions and save it for later or the next day, which is what I usually do. You don't really need a lot of things. Again, you can take out whatever you want, add in whatever you want, but this is just how I make it. If you guys like chicken salad or want something easy to make for lunch and want a little sweet and spicy twist to it, then keep on watching. Also, if you guys do try this recipe, tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it, and let's get to the video. We are going to start off with the fruits and vegetables that we are going to cut into small pieces. These are the fruits and vegetables that you'll need. So first off, we have grapes and apples. I like using Fuji apples just because I like the sweetness of the taste, but you can use any apples you like. Then we have chopped cucumbers and celery. And lastly, just some chopped sweet onions. For the chicken, I like using boneless chicken thigh compared to the breast just because I think the chicken breast can get a little dry sometimes. I also put in a few slits in the meat so that the inside will cook faster since this cut was pretty thick. Alright, before we start cooking the chicken, here are the ingredients you'll need to add some flavor and spice. So we have paprika, onion powder, apricot jam, and hot chili oil. The one that I'm using was made by my dad, but you can buy it at your local grocery store. I'm sure they have it in all the Asian markets, or you can just make it yourself. One brand that is really similar to the one that I am using that is made from my dad is called Laokama. So if you guys are in the Asian market and you guys are looking for something similar to what I am using, then definitely look for that one. Now we are going to cook the chicken. So heat a pan with some oil, and once the pan is hot, you're going to add in the chicken. So let the chicken cook on both sides until the outside is white, then add in some paprika and onion powder on both sides as well. I like to put in enough where the outside of the chicken is lightly coated with the paprika and the onion powder. You're going to let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, making sure you flip it as well. And once the chicken has only a little bit of the pink left, you are going to add in the jam. Here is about 2 tablespoons of jam. I like to put it on the chicken and then let it slide off a little bit. Here you can see the jam has melted and it will start to bubble. Keep flipping the chicken once in a while to make sure that both sides are coated, and once it starts to really bubble, you will add in the chili oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of hot chili. Like I said, if you want it more sweet, then just add more jam. If you want it more spicy, then just add more chili oil to it. Once it is done cooking, we're going to put it aside and let it cool. Make sure you keep the sauce that is left in the pan. We're going to use it later. Going back to our fruits and vegetables, we are going to put them all in one big bowl. Once the chicken has cooled down a little, we are going to cut them into smaller pieces and then toss it back into the pan so that each piece is coated with the sauce. Then we are going to dump all of that into the big bowl of fruits and vegetables. The last 2 ingredients you'll need are mayonnaise and Djon Mustard. For the mayonnaise, I really just eyeball it. I put enough where it looks like it's all well coated with the mayo, and then for the mustard, I put about 1 tablespoon for this serving. All that is left is for you to mix it all together and then serve it. I like eating mine cold, so I put mine in the fridge for a bit, but you can definitely serve it warm as well. Alright, that's how I make this spicy apricot chicken salad. It really doesn't last till the next day when I make it at home. I hope you guys give this a try and share your pictures if you do make it on Instagram with me. That's all for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!